My name is Magnus Poulsen, and I'm the General Manager of Neptune Manufacturing here in Qingdao. So Neptune is a British company, interior and lifestyle company. We're roughly 25 years old, so still fairly young company. So our target customers are mostly people who care a lot about how things look. In Neptune we talk a lot about the design first, and then afterwards we talk a lot about the utility of the designs. Initially, when we started looking at our upholstery manufacturing, we asked ourselves what some of our key challenges. We use very, very expensive fabric, so obviously we were very concerned about the consumption of that. How do we avoid wasting material? It led us to look out and say who can offer a mature solution that can give us all of these things, obviously also leveraging technology. And when we looked out, we only found Lectra really.
力克是我见过所有自动化设备里面厂家里面是最专业的，服务意识最好的，并且整个团队是最强大的，特别是在对花对格这方面，还有排单、排料这方面呢，为我们节省了15%以上的这个材料成本。像我们一年消耗的这个布料大概有2000万，15%大概给我们节省了300万左右的布料成本。
We did development historically, also sort of led us down the line of, we had some designers sitting in the UK who would say, we like this fabric and we like this motif, and then we had to sort of implement it here at the factory. The Lectra solution, more or less our designers, they can from the beginning say, this is how we would like to set it up, this is how we would like the orientation. And then we have it already available here in China, and we just have to load the machine and then get going. The furniture on demand solution gives us all the transparency that we need, you can say. It feeds us back on all of our main KPIs. It tells us this is your utilization, this is your consumption, this is your cutting time, this is how efficient you've been with all of those things, right? So from management perspective, it gives us the opportunity to sort of deep dive into all the things that we couldn't see before. Furniture on Demand has this incredible dashboard function that it tells us everything that we need. We've looked at a lot of different suppliers who come with bits and pieces. They can solve the optimization of the fabric for us, or they can ensure this or that. But from a solutions perspective, so combining all of that together in a solution that more or less ensures the quality, it ensures the efficiency, and it also ensures highest possible utilization of fabric.
现在我们用了立克机器这个方案的话，基本上就是减少了人工，然后减少一些技术上它也减少了一些麻烦。现在这种立克这种方案，它这种设备来对比的话，基本上就是高了3倍的工作效率。
So I think really the entire team has shown a really high skill and has helped us to where we are today. Lectra has been doing an outstanding job helping us from the beginning to the very end, understanding this is what it means to deliver a cutting room best in class, and we've just really sat saying, wow, that's amazing.